To reuse a page without building it from scratch? In this video, I'll show you how to duplicate a funnel step in Systeme.io in just a few clicks. Step 1. Log into your Systeme.io account and go to the Funnels section. Open the funnel that contains the step you want to duplicate. Step 2. In the left sidebar, locate the funnel step you want to copy, such as a landing page or thank you page. Click the three-dot menu or the Duplicate option, depending on your interface. Step 3. Systeme.io will instantly create a copy of that funnel step with the same design, settings, and content. You'll now see the duplicated step in your funnel list. Step 4. Rename the copied step so it's easy to identify. For example, you can rename it to Landing Page V2 or A/B Test Version. Step 5. Click Edit Page to customize the duplicated version. You can change the headline, images, buttons, or any other elements without affecting the original page. And that's it. Duplicating funnel steps is a great way to save time and create variations for testing or new offers. If you'd like to start building funnels with Systeme.io, check out my affiliate link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Funnel Growth Lab, and turn on notifications for more easy Systeme.io tutorials.